Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a Uphold debit card. Let's get straight into the video. The first step is to open the Uphold website, or you can just log into your accounts on the mobile app. And once you're logged in, you want to click on the debit card or the card tab. Next, you want to click on the apply now button to apply for an Uphold debit card. Next, you want to provide the required information, your personal details, including your name, address, date of birth. You also want to provide identification documents. That could be a passport or a government issued identification card. You're also going to need a proof of address, so utility bill, bank statement. You're going to need to provide those. Next, you want to verify your identity through Uphold's verification process. And next, you want to set up your card settings, including your card pin, card limits, as well as card notifications. And after that, you just want to activate your Uphold debit card. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Uphold debit card. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.